In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to split or create different SSID for your Linksys Velo Pro 7 Wi-Fi 7 router. By default, during the setup, there will only be one SSID. We may need to split or create different SSID because you may have devices at home that only supports 2.4 GHz, such as printers or webcams. So here's how to split the SSID. First, we need to find the IP address for your router. To do that, open your Linksys app. Go to the hamburger menu at the top left hand corner and select Network Administration. Select IP details. Now take note of the router IP details. Key in the IP address into a web browser on your computer. If you get this prompt, go to Advanced and continue to the IP address. Now to access the router, key in the password that you have set up. This will bring up the dashboard for your Linksys router in the web UI. You can see under Wi-Fi settings, currently there's only one SSID for 2.4, 5 and 6 GHz. To split or change the SSID, click on 2.4 GHz. This will bring up the Wi-Fi settings user interface. And now, you can simply change the Wi-Fi name for your 2.4, 5 or 6 GHz. For 2.4, we'll call it TechTips 24. For 5 GHz, we'll call it TechTips 5. Likewise for 6 GHz, we'll call it TechTips 6. Let's apply. We'll use different names. This is the final confirmation screen, so we'll select Yes. Now, the settings have been applied successfully, and your device is no longer connected to the network. You need to go to your device Wi-Fi settings and select TechTips 5 or even 2.4. We'll connect to TechTips 5. Key in the Wi-Fi password for TechTips 5. Go to Next. And you're connected to TechTips 5. And you can see that the Wi-Fi settings is also showing the new SSID for the different bands, as seen over here. So this is how you create or split the SSID for your Linksys Velo Pro 7 Wi-Fi 7 router.